Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will talk about how to install Windows 11 on VirtualBox. I noticed that installing Windows 11 on VirtualBox is quite challenging, but in this video, I will tell you on how to do it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to get the latest content from this channel. Let's start the tutorial. What needs to be prepared is the ISO file of Windows 11. If you don't have it, you can download it first. If you're confused about how to download Windows 11 ISO, you can check the video in the description box below. The next thing to be prepared is VirtualBox, and make sure the version of VirtualBox is the latest, and otherwise the installation will fail. Now the next thing to do is set up the OS in VirtualBox. Pay close attention because the setup in the last versions of VirtualBox is slightly different from the previous version. Enter the name of the OS, the folder where the OS will be stored, and the ISO file to be used is the one we downloaded earlier. Click next to continue. At this stage, you can enter the username, password, and hostname Windows 11. Make sure there's no spaces in the hostname. If everything is finished, you can immediately click next. Please select the hardware specification, make sure not to cross the green line. For storage option can be adjusted to the needs. Click finish to complete the setup. Start the virtual OS that we created earlier. The biggest difference between previous versions of VirtualBox and the current version is that it makes the installation process easier and faster. It doesn't require a lot of settings in the beginnings, and you can see for yourself in this video. And also the last versions VirtualBox support Windows 11 installation. For now, installation is on progress, and wait until installation is finished. And that is how to install Windows 11 on VirtualBox. If you have questions or problems while doing this tutorial, please ask me in the comment box below. I hope this video useful, and I'll see you in the next video.